Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage apps for users on your CANON TS8351a. So first what we want to do is enter the CANON Cloud Printing Center site. So it's cs.c/igi.com. And here we need to log in, then go over to the gear icon and go to advanced management. Now here we can select how to manage, and here we can basically either manage app availability by printer or by user. So let's go by user, click OK and click OK. Now those settings are changed, and here you guys can basically change it just like that by clicking on the buttons right here. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.